In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're keeping things simple and focused. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the feature in ChatGPT that works with Notion and what to expect as you set it up. This walkthrough is designed for clarity, so follow along at your own pace. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or the desktop app and sign into your account. Make sure you're using a modern browser and that you're logged in with the account you actually use for ChatGPT. If you're on mobile, using the official app is best for a smooth experience. This particular capability is available to ChatGPT Premium users. If you're on the free plan, you won't see the option we're about to use. To confirm your status, check your plan details in your account settings. If you are on Premium and still don't see the feature after signing in, a quick refresh or signing out and back in often helps. Once you're in ChatGPT on a Premium account, look for the Work with control near the message box or toolbar. Click Work with and then choose Notion from the list. This tells ChatGPT that you want to connect and collaborate with your Notion workspace. When you select Notion, you may see a brief prompt or window guiding you through the connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions. These are there to make sure you're granting permission securely and choosing the right workspace. If your organization has multiple workspaces, verify you've selected the one you intend to use. That's it, done. From here, ChatGPT recognizes Notion as the app you want to work with. You can now proceed to use ChatGPT in ways that leverage Notion content and context depending on what you want to accomplish. If you ever need to switch apps, you can return to the same Work with control and choose a different option. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the Work with button isn't visible, ensure your app is up to date or try using ChatGPT in a desktop browser. If a permissions prompt doesn't appear after you select Notion, check for a pop-up blocker in your browser. And if you're part of a team workspace, your admin settings may limit connections, so you might need to request access. To recap, open ChatGPT, make sure you're on a premium plan, click Work with, and select Notion. With those steps complete, you're ready to move forward confidently.